Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we want to discuss why is the government going to the EU for funding for road projects. I read the article recently and I just can't figure out why would they go to the EU. Now Jamaica has a very good relationship with the China Exim Bank. And as far as I know, China is more than willing to fund these projects. China Harbor Engineering Company has a very good relationship with the China Exim Bank. They are fully capable of doing any road project in Jamaica. Everything works fine. The roads are built. Everybody is happy. There is no longer a public outcry as to why are the Chinese contractors getting all of the contracts. Everybody has accepted that they do a good job. So I found it very interesting when I heard that the NAA has identified projects that are waiting to be financed. And the government is looking to the EU to finance these projects. I just found it very strange. What happened to the China Exim Bank? So guys, I'm asking you this question. Why do you think the government is looking to the EU? Now, three projects that were highlighted was the dualization of Grange Lane in Portmore. That's $1.2 billion. And this could be one reason, I'm not sure, but they gave this project to a local contractor, because I remember when I heard a local contractor got it, I was like, why not give it to China Harbor Engineering Company? But we're going to keep you up to date on that project. So another road now is a rehabilitation of Spanish Town Road, which is $11 billion. These roads are not cheap. 11 billion. And the Sandy Bay and Hopewell bypass, which is 17.1 billion. Those are three projects that have been approved basically, and they're now looking for funding. Now, I know that when you go through the China Exim Bank, I don't know if you have to or the preferred contractor is China Harbor Engineering Company. I'm assuming if you go through the EU, then you're going to have to use an EU contractor. I'm not sure, but I can't imagine they would turn away from the China Exim Bank just because of the contractor. Because as I said, China Harbor Engineering Company does an excellent job. Excellent. They are the top contractor in Jamaica, and they're one of the largest contractors in the world. To give you two examples, a European contractor was doing the North-South Highway, and for various reasons they weren't able to finish. They said geological, for whatever reason, the project ran into difficulties and they said they weren't able to finish. And China Harbor Engineering Company came in and 2-2, the road was finished. Well, not 2-2, but they finished the road. It's now open and it's good to go. A lot of local contractors were used on the Harbour View to Portland leg of the highway, and some of the local contractors were not able to get the job done. China Harbor Engineering Company stepped in, no problem, job finished, or they're in the process of finishing it. So I can't imagine there would ever be a problem in using China Harbor Engineering Company. So I just found it very strange. So I want you guys to give me some feedback. What do you think about the government going to the EU, that's the European Union, to finance these projects? So Jamaica is looking, alright, Jamaica seeks EU partnership. Jamaica wants to develop infrastructure, and the government has a lot of approved projects for road infrastructure. And Jamaica is looking to collaborate with the EU to help finance these projects. So I'm not sure. Just found it very strange. Alright guys, leave your feedback in the section below. We are on Constant Spring Road driving towards Halfway Tree. We're actually going to take a look at the Rogers building, which is the tallest building in Jamaica. So you can look out for that video. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.